Hi, it's Mary, a traditional Chinese medicine tutor and an acupuncturist in Canada.
Hi, Mary. What is the difference between choppy and knotted pulses?
Both a choppy pulse and a knotted pulse are uneven and slow. Still, a choppy pulse focuses on the unsmooth flow of qi and blood. The strength and rate are uneven. And a choppy pulse occasionally stops, but the stop time is so short that the people rarely feel the gap existing. On the contrary, a knotted pulse stops more frequently than a choppy pulse, and the gap is noticeable and can be felt easily without doubt. A choppy pulse moves like scraping a bamboo pole. The reason is uneven and the flow is unsmooth without feeling apparent stops. A choppy pulse moves like boom, 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 boom. Your finger can clearly feel boom, boom. The two pulsations closely beat together, as if you're driving a car slowly over a speed bump. A knotted pulse moves like you suddenly put on the brake and pull your vehicle to a complete stop, and then quickly release the brake and drive on again. So it goes like boom, 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 boom. There is a skip or pause in the pulsation. The difference is noticeable. In terms of the indications, there are similarities or connections. A choppy pulse indicates a lack of essence and blood in the deficiency type, and qi stagnation and blood stasis or food phlegm retention in the excess type. When those problems further deteriorated and caused the disconnection of the vessel G, a knotted pulse appears. A pulse can be knotted and choppy in a complicated condition. If you find this video helpful, please give me a like, subscribe to it, and share it with others. See you in my next video. All the best!